Giving mothers and babies a more successful outcome. That's the mission of the Black Mothers Breastfeeding Association. In the middle of a baby formula shortage, its work is even more important as many local moms already face some daunting odds. You probably didn't realize mothers in Detroit are dying at a rate 3 times the national average. Those odds even worse for Black mothers, who are more likely to die when compared to white mothers. There is encouraging news as Johnson & Johnson has noticed the work the association is doing, and it's offering tens of thousands of dollars in support.
We can't focus on babies without focusing on mama.
That focus is Kadada Green's life's work. This is the community she's created for expectant and new mothers in Detroit through her organization, the Black Mothers Breastfeeding Association.
Black mothers are literally dying from pregnancy-related trauma, and at a rate of 4 times more than white women. And so it's very important that we build that community of support and that we work to change the system, because many of these deaths are preventable. And so we believe that it happens in the community.
With odds like that, the group has expanded its services so that moms and babies can live healthier, happier lives.
Right now during COVID, I see it's a little bit harder.
Robina Hill went from a participant in one of the group's breastfeeding clubs to one of its trained doulas. In the 4 years since, she's worked to educate, encourage, and support mothers like Tiana Rogers.
So it's more empowering because they have so much information for you.
For Rogers, it can be hard to get out of the house with a new baby and 2 older children at home. That's where the app and Johnson & Johnson come in.
We entered the challenge. We focused on one of our programs called the Benford Bright Hub, which is the virtual community for parent clubs. It's a platform, it's an app.
The Bright Hub app is a platform that brings parent groups and support to mom, wherever she may be.
They reach out to you even when you're not willing to reach out to them.
You have resources, you have a sisterhood, you have people who you can identify with, you have people who you can bounce questions off of.
J&J was looking for organizations working to reduce health disparities in Black and brown communities. They found what they were looking for in Green's organization and app. The $75,000 prize will support the expansion of the app. Green also hopes to expand the doula program so that more Black mothers can experience this.
So it brings me a lot of joy just knowing that we can change the birth outcomes and we can change the breastfeeding rates as well.
Since 2007, the Black Mothers Breastfeeding Association has served over 2,000 families through their doula and breastfeeding support groups. They've reached even more people than that because they've collaborated with the CDC and the State Department of Health and Human Services. Whether you're a first-time mom, a mom looking to relactate, or you're just in need of some support, you can find it all there with them.